Modalyst AliExpress Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this review of Modalyst AliExpress. Links to the products and resources mentioned in this video are included in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching. Let's get straight into it. Modalyst is a dropshipping platform that connects e-commerce store owners with suppliers, offering a wide range of products to sell directly to customers. When integrated with AliExpress, Modalyst helps streamline the dropshipping process by sourcing products from AliExpress and providing a smooth connection to your Shopify store. This tool is designed for entrepreneurs looking to automate their dropshipping business with quality suppliers, fast product sourcing, and easy integration, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced sellers. Features. 1. AliExpress integration. Modalyst integrates directly with AliExpress, giving you access to a wide variety of products. You can import these products directly into your Shopify store with ease, eliminating the need for manual data entry. 2. Automated order fulfillment. Once an order is placed, Modalyst automatically sends it to the AliExpress supplier, making the fulfillment process seamless and time-saving. 3. Product filtering. Modalyst lets you filter products by various factors like price, shipping method, and supplier rating, ensuring you source the best products for your store. 4. Real-time inventory updates. Modalyst syncs your inventory with AliExpress in real time, so you're always selling in-stock products with accurate availability. 5. Branding options. For those looking to add their branding to products, Modalyst offers white labeling options, giving you more control over the customer experience. Strengths. Time-saving automation. The automated order fulfillment and real-time inventory updates save you significant time and effort, letting you focus on growing your business. Wide product selection. With access to AliExpress's vast catalog, Modalyst offers a large selection of products to suit any niche or market. Easy integration. Integrating Modalyst with Shopify is quick and simple, even for beginners, so you can start dropshipping right away. Quality control. The ability to filter suppliers and check ratings ensures you are working with reputable vendors. Weaknesses. Reliance on AliExpress. Since you're sourcing products from AliExpress, you're still subject to the shipping times and quality control issues that may arise from their suppliers. Subscription fees. While Modalyst offers a free plan, access to more advanced features and a larger product catalog requires a paid subscription, which may not be ideal for beginners with a limited budget. Limited product customization. Unlike print-on-demand services, Modalyst doesn't offer significant customization options for products. In conclusion, Modalyst with AliExpress is a solid tool for anyone looking to automate their dropshipping business and source products from AliExpress. It provides a wide range of features like automated order fulfillment, real-time inventory syncing, and easy integration with Shopify. However, the reliance on AliExpress shipping times and the paid plan for access to more advanced features are potential downsides. Overall, Modalyst is a great option for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking for a simple, streamlined solution to build their stores.